Alexi Mombi. I know I haven't been here for a while, but I am back just for a minute to do a quick little unboxing. I wasn't expecting this until Wednesday, but it showed up today. It is the deluxe Jeffree Star winter 2020 mystery boxes, and I am super excited about it. Hello. Hi, can I have that please? Thanks. I will definitely be talking about why I really haven't been here in another video, but I don't want to get into all that today. And just quick disclaimer, I will say another YouTuber said it kind of perfectly. I'm not here for the tea or the drama. I am here for the makeup. I do believe people can change and they can learn from their mistakes. So just real quickly, I would just like to do this unboxing with you. Let's get right started. When I open the box, it is pretty pink tissue paper. And the first thing on top is the pig with all of the, oh, and they're not in their box, but they're all there, with all of the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Collection lipsticks. These are so pretty. I couldn't get my hands on them when they first came out, and I've really wanted Ryland. And then we have the new Velvet Trap lipsticks, and I got mine in the color Malibu Beach House, and I don't actually own any of these. The packaging is so nice on them, and I love the metal like bullets. Oh wow, it's like a pretty purpley pink color. And then we have the gloss from the Nude collection in Pretzel Drip. I loved all of these glosses when he revealed them. They are just so freaking pretty. I can get behind nude colors all day long. Oh yeah, and it's got like a gold shimmer to it. It's very pretty. It's like a bronzy color. I love it. And then we have, ooh, unicorn blood in the liquid lip. Nice. Nice. I don't actually have this one, I don't think. It's never been in stock when I tried to order it. So. And then I have the I'm Nude lip liner. And it looks like it's like a pinkish nude color. Oh yeah, perfect for like all my favorite Jeffree Star colors, like Can't Relate and Mannequin. Those are my two favorites. And then here's the clothing item, which is a white long sleeve shirt. Let's see. So it has the Jeffree Star logo and the signature and some peppermint pinstripes and also a Jeffree Star snowflake. And then the palette. It's the palette, and I don't have it, and I haven't bought any of the new palettes on release. And like, I really want the Blood Money palette. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got like a soft matte packaging. I love that. And I'm sure everybody has seen the inside of this palette so far, but I'm going to go ahead and show it anyways. all the pretty nudes you could ever ask for. I would have totally also been happy with the cremated palette, but I'm extremely happy with everything that came in this box, and I watched spoilers for all the other boxes, and I really think this is the best box. So I am happy I got lucky again. So this is the second time I bought his mystery boxes, and the first time I bought the mini and got lucky with the alien palette. So if you haven't seen that video, or if you care to watch it, you should go check that out. I will try to link that below. All right, but yeah, sorry, long time no see. But I will be back shortly with some new videos, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.